What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get the Kira beauty filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is one for the female audience, but if you're a male doesn't mean you can't get in on the fun. So I'm on the TikTok camera, and you go to the TikTok camera by tapping the plus icon in the center at the bottom. And then I'm going to go ahead and tap on effects at the bottom left hand corner, and there you can see in the first row you have the first filter, and then the second filter with that lady is the Kira beauty filter. So if I tap on that, you can see that it creates those sparkles in your hair. It kind of just beautifies you in a cool way, and I think the ladies are really going to love this one. So all you would simply need to do is go ahead and record from here. But if you can't find the filter from within this effects gallery, what you can do is you can go back. Then you can tap on the Discover tab at the bottom next to the home button. And then in the search bar, you just want to type Kira Beauty. And then you can search underneath top, and you can see it says Effects and then Kira Beauty. If you're not finding that, make sure you updated your TikTok app to the latest version, because they're always releasing these new filters. Or you could go to the video section, and then you can try find a video using the filter. So that's not the correct one. So I would stick to the top and then tap on Kira Beauty. Now if for any reason you cannot get to this page, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on that share button at the top right hand corner. Then I'm going to copy the link to the filter page, and I'll put that in the description of the video, so you can just go ahead and tap on that. From here you can add it to your favorites. You can see there's 864 videos on my TikTok with this, and you can see all the people using the filter. And then to go ahead and record, just tap the record button at the bottom, and there you can see the filter is applied. You can go ahead and record. And then when you're done recording, just go ahead, tap the tick mark, and then you can go ahead and add your sounds, add your effects, text, however you would like to customize it. Tap on next. Then just go through the posting process, add your description, add hashtags, tag your friends, and then set your settings and then post it. So that is how you get the Kira beauty filter on TikTok. Let's see if this one goes viral. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video down below and to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of the future TikTok filters. Take care.